In this lesson, we'll learn a new kiwaha, or idiom. The kiwaha for this lesson is mo taku he. Mo taku he is how we apologise in te reo Māori, the Māori language. It literally translates to for my wrong. It's an incomplete sentence, but that's the beauty of idioms. They don't always fit the parameters of grammar. You can take out he or wrong and replace it with other words. For example, mō taku tō muri, for my lateness, or sorry for being late. Another example is mō taku pōtiri, for my slowness, or sorry for being slow. I use this one when I go for a run. Anyway, this is a new kiwaha you can use to apologise. Mō taku he, I apologise for my mistake. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.